Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to solve inequalities. In this video, we will be focusing on solving the inequality 5z minus 2 is less than or equal to 8. We will walk you through the step-by-step process of solving this inequality and provide you with the inequality and interval notation forms of the solution. Let's get started. Let's solve the inequality 5z minus 2 less than or equal to 8, and we will find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Step 1. Add 2 to both sides of the inequality to isolate the term with z. This step helps to simplify the inequality by removing the constant term on the left side. So we start with the inequality 5z minus 2 less than or equal to 8. To isolate the term with z, we need to get rid of the minus 2 on the left side. We do this by adding 2 to both sides of the inequality. Adding 2 to the left side, we get 5z minus 2 plus 2, which simplifies to just 5z because minus 2 plus 2 equals 0. Now we add 2 to the right side. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now the inequality looks like this: 5z less than or equal to 10. By doing this, we have simplified the inequality, making it easier to solve for z. Next, we will divide both sides by 5 to isolate z, but we will delve into and explain that in the next step. In summary, after adding 2 to both sides, the inequality becomes 5z less than or equal to 10. Step 2. Divide both sides of the inequality by 5 to isolate z. This step is crucial because our goal is to find the value of z that satisfies the inequality. So starting from where we left off, we have the inequality 5z less than or equal to 10. To isolate z, we need to divide both sides of the inequality by 5, because 5 is the coefficient of z. A coefficient is a number that is multiplied by the variable, in this case z. When we divide 5z by 5, the 5's cancel each other out because any number divided by itself equals 1. This leaves us with just z on the left side. Now we do the same thing to the right side. We divide 10 by 5. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So the inequality now looks like this: z less than or equal to 2. This is the solution in inequality form. To express this solution in interval notation, we consider all the values that z can take. Z can be any value that is less than or equal to 2. In interval notation, we represent this as negative infinity to 2, including 2. We use the term negative infinity because there is no lower limit to the value z can take. It can go as far negative as possible. Therefore, the final solution to the inequality 5z minus 2 less than or equal to 8 is z less than or equal to 2, and negative infinity to 2, including 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.